Hello guys, so I have this racket and this is Flex Power Saber Blade and let's begin. So first of all, on to the unboxing part. This is my first take at any Flex Power racket, and I have heard these rackets are also available in Decathlon. So I don't really trust Decathlon. Let's see how it goes. The Decathlon products, especially in badminton, they are worst. I don't like them specially. So let's see how it goes. And I got this for a budget price of 1300 rupees. So here is the racket. You get it nicely wrapped in this polythene cover. Let's open it. No MRP printed on the this bag of this racket. Keeping the racket aside, onto this cover. I think this cover is really good. For a budget price of 1300 rupees, you are getting this type of cover. It's well padded from inside. The foam is present, so it will surely offer you maximum the protection. And you can see this is a Yonex cover, Nano Ray Yonex cover, and this is a tour racket, Nano Ray 9900 tour racket. I have also reviewed that racket, and this is the cover of it. You can see it's easily foldable, and I got this racket for 4400 rupees in the Yonex one, and this you can't easily fold it. So for 1300 rupees, surely you'll get a great cover of the racket. Now on to this beautiful racket. You can see it's a orange and a blue frame. It's really beautiful. And you can see the color. For the color, I will give it a thumbs up. And you can see the MRP is printed at 2590 rupees. I think it's not really clear. Sorry for the worst quality of this video. Let me tell you, MRP is 2590 and country of origin is Vietnam. So Flex is basically a Apex made racket. This is a brand from Apex, and this was imported in Chennai. Okay, you can see the flag of Malaysia also present here. So this is basically a G2 grip, 4U G2 grip, 3.25 inches, but it's really comfortable in your hands. The weight of this racket is 81 grams without stringing it. So when you string it, I think it will be around 85 grams to 90 grams. That's really good. Okay, I'll give you one link in the description. You can check it out. If you sweat a lot, you can use a towel grip onto it. It will cost you around 100 to 150 rupees. If you sweat a lot, you can use towel grip, and using a towel grip, that also means that it will add more power to your racket because it will be thick. So when you hold it, you will get some more power. And if you don't like towel grip, I'll give you a link in the description. You can check it out. It will be a normal leaning or a Yonex grip. It will also suit you, and I've been using that grip from a while. So onto this racket, I think this is a beginner racket depending upon the play. If you are playing in a court, a proper court, this will be a beginner racket for you. I mean, if anyone is starting, or anyone who is not really into it, if you are 20, if you are 18, if you are 7, if you are 8, and you are just beginning your game, this will be a fine racket for you. But if you are playing outdoors in any court, well propered court outdoors in a mud or in a cemented place, this will be an intermediate racket for you, not a beginner racket, because this will do the job in outdoors. It will not be a beginner racket for sure. For beginners racket, it will be under 1000 rupees for the ones who play outdoors. So yes, this is an intermediate for the ones who play outdoors, and a beginner racket for the ones who play indoors. Now to the tension of this racket, you can get it at around 30 lbs, but it will not do the job. 30 lbs, it will cut short the life of your racket. So I will recommend you to go for, I think, 26 lbs, not more than that. You can also go for 28 lbs, but the racket life will be less. So if you want to increase the racket life, go for 26 lbs. I mean, if what lbs you get, I think you should get it 4 or 2 less. Not, if you are getting it 30 lbs, you should not go for 30 lbs, because there is a high chance that this frame will break. So 28 lbs maximum, and the preferred will be 26 lbs. And the string which you can use is BG65 titanium, because as I said, this is a I think this is not a heavy head racket, this is a balanced racket, and you can measure this balanced racket by this. I don't know the point. If you keep it like this, it will be balanced, but it is not getting balanced. I'm really sorry, I don't know the point, but it is a balanced racket. This is not a heavy head racket. So for a balanced racket, this is called a defensive racket, and playing some defensive shots or drop shots or push shots, this will really suit the job for you. So BG65 titanium, and BG95 will do the job for you. And in the leaning version, you can go for leaning number 7. You can also go for Adidas string, not the 66 version, F66 version. You can go for anyone else, because F66, BG66, leaning number 1, BG68, Nano G, these strings, these are offensive strings. So if you need to smash, then those strings are good for you. Not BG65, BG95 and BG65 titanium, and leaning number 7. These are for defensive racket, and this is a defensive racket. So you need to go for BG65 from my choice. This will be a budget for you, and getting it at 26 lbs, it will preferably do the job for you. Now this is the isometric shape racket. You can see, isometric means the vertical and the horizontal strings, these are equal in size. So you get a good sweet spot in the center, and getting a good sweet spot is also good for beginner players, because actually you get a good playing area, and if the shuttle is hitting at this spot, any spot on this racket in the center, it will be a sweet spot, and you can actually get a good sweet timing on it. Let me tell you, the professional player, they just play with high tension racket, so the sweet spot is really less. But as they are professional, so they need very less sweet spot, and when the shuttle hits that sweet spot, you can visibly see the speed of the smash. And I've already told you about the grip size. Now onto the shaft. This is a graphite shaft, and the body is said to be a carbon graphite body. This frame is a carbon graphite, and the shaft is a full graphite shaft. And actually this is not an aluminum frame. In all those racket in this range, we don't get graphite or carbon material. I have also purchased a Adidas racket. You will get a review video of that also. They advertise it as a carbon graphite shaft, but I actually found it as a aluminum frame. So thumbs up to this racket. You get a good play area. You can see the racket, and if you like to play deceptive shots, if you like drop shots, if your game is deceptive, this racket is surely for you. If you like to play smash, if your game is really offensive, you can also try this racket. This will surely do the job for you. This is a singles racket, not a doubles racket, as I would prefer. I am a singles player, so that is why I purchased this. Full marks to the cover, full marks to this color. G2 grip size carbon graphite racket for 1300 rupees. Getting it from BG65 will cost you 450 to 500 rupees depending on your area. So for 1800 rupees you are getting this budget racket, a beginner's racket on the court, and intermediate racket if you're playing outdoors. So hope you liked my video. If you did like, please give a thumbs up, and if you did like this racket, I'll give a link in the description. You can check it out, and you can surely buy this racket. As I said, if your game is really defensive, if you like to play on the defenses, this racket will do the job. And you can also push the shot. You can play it on the baseline, so it will be very difficult for the opposition to return it. So stay safe, keep wearing your mask, and bye bye for now.